Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install Resident Evil Zero on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and once you are taken into the store page, you can click on the search box, and now you can type in Resident Evil Zero to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside the bundle or edition that you would like to purchase, and then you can click on View My Cart to continue towards your payment. Now you have the option to use your Steam Wallet balance or one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. After filling up all of the credentials of your chosen payment method, the game will be added to your library as soon as the transaction is completed. And now you can complete the installation in just a few clicks. Once that is done, you can start enjoying the Resident Evil Zero game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Resident Evil Zero on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.